channel Utsav, and this is your crafty host Priyanka. So it is the day 3 for our Crayola Advent Calendar. I'm really excited. It's already day 3, guys. The time is moving so fast. So we already saw on day 1 we got the silly scent marker or the doodle scents marker, and then on day 2 we got the paint pots, 6 paint pots and a paintbrush. And if you haven't watched that videos, I will have the links to them in the description below. Please to go check out. Also, if you're new to my channel and if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to my channel. My goal is to hit 1,000 subscribers by December 25th, so we can do a giveaway for the new year. So without further ado, let's get to opening the day 3 here. And the day 3 is, so the day 3 is right here in the bottom, and I'm not looking at it, but let me see. I don't want to break it. Trying to keep it as clean as possible. Ooh, look at this, guys. I got a copper penny. It's a copper penny color pipsqueak, and I'm so excited. Actually, I have a lot of pips. I don't have actual pipsqueaks, but I have those Crayola character pipsqueaks, and if you want to see that, leave me a comment below and I will definitely show you guys. I haven't opened them, they're still in the package, but I have the CDs too for the character pipsqueaks. So if you want to see that, leave me a comment below. I'll definitely do a video. So this is the pipsqueak marker for today, and let's go ahead, and on the flip side, if you haven't been here, they have this envelope on the back side, and it says no peeking, and for every day there's a number up here. So today is day 3, so we're going to pull out the number 3, and I have been honest, I haven't looked through them, and this is what we got today, and it says draw a new reindeer for Santa's theme. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to quickly draw it, and then we are going to color it together. So I'm not going to draw it on camera. I'm just going to quickly sketch it and then bring it up here on camera to color it. So let me go do that, and I'll be right back. Alright guys, so it took me a minute to draw this, but I finally drew it. And I'm going to take my copper penny color pipsqueak Crayola marker, and I'm going to use these Play School washable markers that I have, and I'm going to use this to color this picture today with the pipsqueak crayon. And here is my completed reindeer. I did start coloring the blue, and then I was like, oh, it's too dark, but oh well. I'd already started coloring, so I left it to, I completed the whole blue, and I named my reindeer Cherry Bell. Because what gave me the hint to give this reindeer that I drew Cherry Bell is because I know this is not a cherry, but the first glance I felt like it was a cherry, so I took cherry from here, and then this reindeer has a bell in its collar, so I named my reindeer Cherry Bell because that is what the first name, excuse me, came to my mind. And I'm really happy how this came about, and I kept it really simple, nothing crazy. And yeah, that's about it, guys. This is the today's video, and I'm really happy we have one Pick Squeak in the collection now. This is my first one, apart from the character ones that I own and which I have never opened. And yeah, if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, share this video with your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe to my button if subscribe to my channel if you haven't, not subscribe to my button, subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already, because my goal is to reach 1,000 subscribers by December 25th, and which cannot be accomplished without you all supporting me. So thank you so much, guys, for watching this video. Have a wonderful and blessed day. Bye.